Alam mo, daming fans. Ay, daming viewers. Tumubo na ang kutsang. Today, we're gonna get his Danish passport. I'm gonna get his Danish passport in Danish Embassy in BGC. After 1 month, nakuha namin yung passport niya. Story time! Bago makuha ang passport ni Ellie or ma-process, ang dami pang pinagdaanan. May pa-DNA testing kasi Danish Embassy. It cost us so much. I had DNA test before when he was inside my belly pa. Did here in Manila. And then they didn't accept it in Denmark. So we had to do it all over again. So, twice kami nag-DNA test. May epal po dito sa gilid ko. Gustong maki-makeup. Hindi ko lang ako naglagay ng hero. Nung hi. Saan ka nag-hi? Doon kami peanut butter ka pa. So, ang schedule ko ay alas 10, 10:30. I have to be there earlier. This is the 3rd time that I'm gonna go to Danish Embassy. Yung passport ko, guys, wala pa siya. Ano na? It's been 10 months since we processed my visa. We are processing family reunification. Resident visa in Denmark. Child of A01. A01? Yeah, A01. Visa with, minor son. Minor anak, ganun. Hindi na ba yan? Bye-bye! Gusto niyang sumama, guys. Epal talaga to eh. Pinanganak na epal to eh. My passport is in Danish Embassy. It's been 1 year. Magwa 1 year siya sa March after nung pag-uwi ko galing sa concert ni Taylor Swift. Kinabukasan, nag-schedule na ako ng biometrics.
Again!
Yes. Biometrics. Tapos, yun. Inano pa namin siya. Ng DNA. Kasi kailangan citizen na yung anak ko doon. Kaya siguro tumagal. Kaso, meron ng passport yung anak ko. Ako wala pa, hindi pa bumabalik. Hindi ako makapag-travel. Charot. Wala palang pag-travel. Light makeup lang. Kasi, my son is eating breakfast. Go there. Look, mayroon pang pancake. Konting-konti na lang, guys. Makakapunta na kami in Denmark. Siguro. Mga next year. Next year. Alien! Ay! Hirap talaga magpakain ng toddler, guys. Kung meron kayong anak na pa-toddler, hirap pakainin. Katulad nito, hinandaan kong pancake. Ilagay lang dyan. Suspect! Ayaw kumain ng breakfast. Pero gusto mag-makeup. Suspect ka. Lipstick. You say lipstick. Hindi ko nasasama si Ellie kasi Sabi ng embassy, kahit di ka na isama. Sana tanggapin nila yung ID ko. Buti na lang may national ID ako. May valid ID ako, guys. Pwede na yan. Okay na to. More? Say hi to the vlog. Say hi to the vlog. Oh, eat ka sa vlog. Eat. Eat ka daw sa vlog. Eat. Oh, show them you're eating. Show them you're eating. Wow, very good. What's this? Star. Very smart yung batang yan eh. Oh, dali. Eat na, eat. Eat. Ay. Galing naman. Smile, Stella. Smile. 1, 2, 3. Smile muna. Dali. Say hi to the vlog. Pang thumbnail yan.
Ellie, I got your passport.
Yee, are you happy to see mommy? Look, I got your passport. Here. Hey. No. How about this one? Wow. Ano ate?
May time ka. Bench. Para hindi sila magwala.
Million. This is your passport. Ellie's passport.
Nasa siya?
Nasa kapihan. Sa Zeus Coffee. Laki.
Nasa Cisco office.
I got Ellie's passport. Pinadate mo na yan?
Guess that's what I get for leaning into the best friend. Now I've got one more accent, two less hands here for holding. Ignored all of my reasons for running far from my feelings. Now I'm down on my knees and watching you as you're leaving. I hear you say goodbye, and I say I'm fine, but really if I'm honest with myself, I'm a mess. Total fake, thinking I might need some help, 'cause I equal tension. Turns out I'm still the same kid, falling hard for affection. And it hurts so bad when it's over, when we both wake up and we're sober. But got that first little moment, feeling you leaning closer. Hear you say goodbye, and I say I'm fine, but if I'm honest with myself, I'm a mess, total fake, thinking I might need some help. Cause I never change, always getting in my own way. Oh, look at this mess I made, look at this mess I made. Oh, I'll take the blame for making you hate my name. Oh, look at this mess I made, look at this mess I made. Oh, look at this mess I made, look at this mess I made. Oh.
Si Tita, yun. Smile to the camera. Smile. Smile. Go to the left.
I just wanna dance. Happy, I'm happy.